Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an unboxing. So this is a gift we got from Casetify, as you can see. And let's take a look at their new special edition products. So what do we have? It should be two things in here, maybe more. Oh, what's else in here? Okay. So yes, as you can see, we have this super silvery, reflective NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration card with Casetify.com. And so here we go. Join us in space. Coming at you with G-Force of a rocket launch is our newest collab, inspired by none other than the brilliant minds at NASA. Okay, so coming at you with the G-Force of a rocket launch. Okay, I'm not going to be a grammarian here, but you get the idea. So designs feature essential space gear, your own access badge, a mission assignment, and blueprints of a classic NASA space shuttle. Okay, well that sounds pretty good. Share your galactic designs on Insta, and don't forget to tag the entire team at Casetify and at NASA. See you in outer space. That's hashtag NASA X Casetify, so don't forget that one too. So yeah, and then we got alien emoji, Saturn emoji, and thumbs, whatever, bunny ears emoji. So thank you to Casetify for this gift. Let's see what is in here. So we have, yes, that's why our Apple Watch is here. So we have our Saffiano watch band for 44 or 42 millimeter, and that says NASA on there. And it has a NASA logo. That's the worm logo. So we'll take a look at that separately. And then we have our also shiny NASA box. This is our, yes, iPhone 11 Pro Max Space Shuttle design case. So let's take a look at that. And then I guess this is our special mission badge or whatever. So let's take a look at that last. Let's start with the case. And so since it's Casetify, it's high quality. So let's see, how does this thing come out? It comes out this way. So they did ask us what type we wanted, and of course I said the one that is my personal phone. Thank you, merci. Okay, it has a nice edge around the top and rubbery here to cover your buttons. Pretty good. And then this is not too slippery. It's actually kind of a non-slip surface, and it has a QR code. I wonder what that does. I guess if you hold your phone up to the screen, you can find out. Okay, so let's give it a try. You got to take the cardboard insert in there, so that's not a real iPhone. And let's give it a try on our forest green one. It is pretty snug, I'll give them that. So at least, you know, when it's new, before you take it on an awful lot, it will be nice and snug, protects everything, has this nice bumper around the edge, which is great if you drop it, I suppose. So yeah, it looks pretty good. If you like NASA, you should like this. Okay, so there is our iPhone 11 Pro Max NASA Casetify limited edition case. And let's take a look at the watch band. Okay, looking good. Let's get these guys apart. Casetify on the inside. National Space, and here we are with the worm logo. So if you guys haven't done it before, it's pretty easy, assuming this is not too like gooped up. If it hasn't been too long since you removed it, you just push this little button down, slide it out, and it's the same on both sides. So luckily I just changed this band a couple of weeks ago, so I got it unstuck from the previous one, which had been there for like a couple of years. So here we go, and you want, I guess it's this way on the inside, right? Okay, so yeah, it takes a little bit of struggle if you have an old watch. So we have the men's style, the larger size, and this is the aluminum one. This is actually a Series 1. So yeah, the colors don't match up. It would be nicer if I have like the gold one, obviously. But yeah, that's how it looks. And I actually rebooted my watch while I was pushing all the buttons, so be careful about that. So let's give it a try. Okay, so here you can see with the watch on. Yeah, I'm not a professional watch model, but you get the idea. It's also brand new. It hasn't broken in yet. But it looks pretty decent even with that mismatch on the colors here. It really depends, I think, if you like this material. So it's the Saffiano material, I guess is what it's called. It's got stitching on it. It's definitely like synthetic material. It's not trying to be leather. It's not leather, but it looks pretty decent. And as far as like if you want this kind of strap, not too bad. I personally have become kind of a big fan of this perforated one for especially when you're working out. But if you're not a guy who works out a lot or you want something a little more classy, this is definitely not super professional looking. This definitely looks a lot better. And just in case you're wondering what's in here, turns out it's actually not a product, but it is in fact a whole bunch of cleansing wipes so you can keep your phone clean. Actually, I should have used that to clean out my watch before I put the new strap in. It would have been a lot easier to fit. But yeah, not too bad. Thank you again. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much. Thanks to Casetify for the cool iPhone cover with the NASA crossover as well as the Apple Watch band. So that's it for today. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you are interested in this, obviously check out casetify.com. This was given to us. It was gifted, but we weren't paid for it, just so it's clear here. But yeah, we always appreciate free stuff. So if you're from a brand and you want to give us stuff, do let us know in the contact email. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time. Bye. SIM card is here on the bottom right, and there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. If you guys can see that. There's also